This is our dual battery system for the Wrangler with the diesel and the 392 engine. So in this video, I'm going to show you all the components and talk about some of your battery options and talk about where it's installed and just give you a general overview of this kit. So this kit is going to come with 3 components. You're going to get the adjustable battery brackets that are also available by themselves on our website. You're going to get the new Gen 3 power hub that's got all the electronics. It's got your bus bars, your G-screen port, and your manual control switch on the front here. The power hub is going to come with 13 feet of 2-gauge welding cable along with a 600 amp fuse to protect that wire as it's running along the frame and all the way to the back seat area. You're also going to get about 4 feet of ground cable that's going to tie into a factory ground under the seat. Then on the other side of the power hub, there's a power and ground cable that are going to come over to your battery. Then for the Wrangler with the diesel and the 392 engines, you're going to get these new brackets that are going to bolt under the seat legs. This is the passenger side door over here. So we're going to use the factory bolts that hold the seat legs to the floor. And then your battery brackets are going to set on there and bolt down. And these battery brackets are adjustable in 2 different directions. So you can spread them out for wider batteries all the way up to a Group 27F size, or shrink them down to hold a Group 25 size. And then the brackets are also adjustable this direction for different sizes of batteries. So the brackets are adjustable in 2 different directions. If you're running a small battery under the back seat like a Group 25, you can also slide the brackets left and right a little bit to get it positioned away from some of the seat brackets. Then your power hub is the same situation. We've got this bracket here that's going to mount under the seat legs on the driver's side. This is where your factory seat leg bolts are going to go. This little tab right here is going to help us limit how far the seats will fold down. Now, you know, in the Wrangler, the seat backs will fold down all the way to the floor, but since we've got these components under there, we can't go all the way down, but we can go a little bit, about halfway down on the driver's side. So this is going to limit how far the seat will fold down. Then you're going to take your power hub and mount it right onto this base, and then bolt that under the seat. So this kit is going to come with all the hardware you need. All you need is 4 nylock nuts that are going to secure these adjustable brackets in place. Then the power hub itself, it doesn't need any hardware, but the full kit for the diesel and 392 Wrangler will come with some nuts to hold these brackets down, some zip ties to secure your cable going along the frame, and a rubber grommet for running the cable through the floor of the Jeep. Okay, now let me talk to you about the battery options for this kit. So by putting the battery under the back seat of the Wrangler, you've got a lot of battery options, plus you don't have to get rid of the factory battery that's under the hood. So you only need to buy 1 battery, you can keep the battery under the hood. So let me show you what this is going to look like with the smallest battery, which is a Group 25, and the biggest one that'll fit, which is a Group 27F. Okay, here you can see the brackets with a Group 25 battery in here. This is going to be the front of the vehicle, and this way is towards the back of the vehicle, so the battery posts are facing the rear of the vehicle. And you can see the brackets are adjustable up to a larger battery, and then we'll just squeeze these in and tighten the brackets down to hold the battery that way. And then also the brackets are adjustable this direction, so we'll hold the batteries down that way. And then this is the largest battery that you can fit under the back seat of the Wrangler. This is a Group 27F, so you can see this is we got the brackets a lot wider now. So let me spin this around so you can see the back side of the batteries. This will be facing the rear of the vehicle, and these little brackets on the sides will hold the battery securely in place this way. Now, this whole package was designed specifically for the Wrangler with the diesel and the 392 engine, but it also will work if you have the 3.6 or the 2-liter turbo Wrangler and you just don't have room under the hood. Maybe you've got some other accessories, maybe you've got a snorkel, maybe you've got another engine swap under there and you don't have room for our dual battery kit under the hood. You could just put this kit under the back seat. Also, this works great for our friends in Australia and the UK, right-hand drive countries. Again, just put the whole kit under the back seat. Another thing you can do is use just our adjustable battery brackets under the back seat of the Wrangler to expand your dual battery kit under the hood. So if you've already got our dual battery kit on your 3.6 or your 2-liter turbo, and you just want to expand your battery capacity, just mount this under the back seat and run a cable up to the bus bars and you'll get double the capacity. So that's the dual battery system for the diesel and 392 Wrangler. Hey, I hope that video helped you out. If it was helpful to you, please hit the subscribe button and like this video. That really does help us out. If you have any questions, please leave us a comment in the comment section down below or send us an email. And remember, it all starts with power.